welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, today's going to be a rainy day clean with me. It was raining on and off today when I was doing this cleaning video, as well as we've been having rain for the last couple of days. So it's raining right now as I am doing the voiceover for you guys the same morning that I am posting. So it is going to be a relaxing cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoy this cleaning motivational video, and definitely leave me a comment down below if you guys are cleaning along with me. Like I always say, let's go ahead and start off with this actual messy cleaning video. So we're just cleaning the living room first. I usually put the shoes when we walk in from the door. We put our shoes there, but sometimes we have extra shoes that are just in here because we wore it the previous day or the day before. So I'm just keeping the regular shoes that we wear on a daily basis there and removing the extras and putting those away in our rooms. Have too much of a mess in the dining room area, but as you can tell, Emma had woken up, so I just relaxed with her for a little bit before I started cleaning the mess of a kitchen that I had. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean the kitchen, wash some dishes, continue with this all day clean with me. gonna go ahead and do the dishes by hand. Now, I have not fixed our dishwasher yet. We do have contractors coming this week again, so they can go ahead and try to fix the dishwasher this time. We had to fix a toilet and faucets and things outside of our house as well as the garage. So that's why they're here all the time. But yes, it has not been fixed yet, so you'll see me washing by hand, which is definitely takes a lot of time, guys. It takes a lot of time, especially when I had so many dishes from the night before. I usually try to do the dishes the night prior, but sometimes, you know, if I'm doing a cleaning video, I do leave the dishes out, just figuring I have additional content for you guys. Definitely leave me a comment if you guys like watching me wash dishes, or if it's preferred and not to have it on every single video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
It's just the areas in my room that needed to be cleaned, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put away some of the clothes that I had from the day before of doing laundry. And I still need to put this room together, guys. I keep getting furniture that is just too small for the bed, or items that they're not fitting properly here in our room. I do want to do that room transformation, but it just has not been happening. I actually ordered a dresser, which the dresser, I feel like it's too small as well. So we're probably going to be returning that dresser and getting a new one. The side tables or this nightstands, I had the same issue, like I said on my previous video. And now we got new ones delivered, so we're going to go ahead and put those together. And I'm still waiting on the curtains that I ordered, so we can go ahead and just do that full room transformation. It's definitely taking a lot longer than what I thought it was going to take for me to do this video. But there's also Adrian's room that I want to put together and Emma's room, so I'm going to be doing little transformations on that as well. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, definitely go ahead and consider subscribing and hit that bell notification. That way you guys are informed every time that I post another cleaning video.
Every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling.
And now that Emma was taking a nap, I actually had some additional laundry that I had in the dryer. So I'm just folding the laundry as I watch a TV show. By the way, I am hooked on the show right now. It's called The Good Doctor. I barely started watching it. I'm on the 4th episode right now, and I love it. My daughter was diagnosed with autism this year, and this is about a doctor with autism. So I actually really do like it so far. If you guys have watched that show, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know.
About your face when you're smiling, it's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're mine, take it to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other.
As you guys can tell, this is much later in the day and I'm getting an extra mess here in the dining room. My husband was already home. It was starting to get dark and I just wanted to clean this area as well as the kitchen and do some vacuuming because it was just getting overwhelming again, and I do like to clean at night once more. That way I wake up with a clean home. The only times that you see me doing like a messy house clean with me is if I leave it overnight or if I just decide not to do any of the cleaning throughout the day and just relax, because sometimes it's okay not to clean, not to touch stuff, and just play with your kids and relax and not overwhelm yourself with the mess that you have. So that's when I have those messy house clean with me, but I definitely like to keep up on the cleaning. And I was just showing you guys that I bought this new clock to go in the kitchen and that letter A to go in my little decor area. I am definitely thinking about doing something else with the dining room area just because it has a lot of space. So we're actually looking into doing additional things in that area. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely leave me a comment down below.
Falling down and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Never knew that it could feel this way when you're lying next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you're fine the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. Could stay forever.
And I definitely have to say that I think the kitchen is the messiest place in my house because it is constantly getting dirty, and it's also the entry for like everybody coming in from the garage. So we put everything here in this little area as soon as we walk in, so it's just getting dirty and dirty every single day nonstop. This is the messiest part of my house. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one is your messiest room or the messiest part of your home. Leave me a comment and let me know.
For a little while. I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. Make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, can't it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
And I usually like to vacuum early in the morning or late at night, depending like if I vacuum the day before at night or not. That is when the most of the crumbs are there. So if I didn't vacuum the night before, I vacuum early in the morning just because there's a bunch of crumbs everywhere. And if I didn't vacuum in the morning, I'll vacuum at night just because there's always crumbs everywhere during the day here. Do you guys vacuum multiple times a day, or do you guys have a preferred time to do your vacuuming in your home? Like I said, either early in the morning or at night. That is the best time for me to vacuum. And my husband was actually going to hang this clock for me, so that's what you'll see him doing now.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget.
And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys got some extreme cleaning motivation from this video. If you guys did and liked it, definitely leave me a comment down below if you guys stayed until the end as well. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and we'll see you guys next time on our next video. Bye.